I'm Stephen Hamilton, board certified in criminal law by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization, practicing criminal defense in Lubbock, Texas in the South Plains. My practice is dedicated to defending any Lubbock resident in need, including those struggling with illegal drug charges. I'm also the author of the book, The Real Consequences of a Texas Drug Conviction. I wrote this book to help Lubbock residents understand the law and ensure that they know their rights and how to protect their future. You can download a free copy of my book at the end of this video tip. An arraignment is when you appear in court to formally confirm that you are aware of the charges that have been brought against you and state for the record whether you're pleading guilty or not guilty. This is done in connection with all felonies and Class A and B misdemeanor prosecutions. Ideally, by the time of your arraignment, you will have long since retained an attorney to conduct an investigation and to look at your case strategically before entering your plea. Your arraignment can also be waived if your attorney thinks that it is not necessary. In that instance, a plea of not guilty is automatically registered on your behalf. If you appear at your arraignment and you are not represented by a lawyer, the court will ask whether you plan to obtain representation. The court might delay the arraignment, if necessary, to give you more time to arrange for legal representation. But that is not a reason to delay choosing an attorney. A delay only hurts you by giving you less time to prepare a defense. It does not hurt the prosecution, which simply gains more time to prosecute you. In many cases, we advise entering a plea of not guilty, even if you're guilty of the charges against you. This gives us more time to work on your case, including determining whether your arrest was lawful or unlawful. You can always change your plea later once your lawyer has had the chance to negotiate with the prosecutor. Should your lawyer decide that pleading guilty makes more sense in your particular situation. Once you've pled guilty, however, you cannot change your plea back to a not guilty, so it is not a decision that should be made lightly. Always consult an experienced defense attorney who's willing to fight for your rights before deciding whether to enter a guilty plea. If you have been charged with any offense, including a drug offense, download a copy of my book, The Real Consequences of a Texas Drug Conviction, and call my office today so that we can start building the right defense for your case.